are going to explore the beautiful Greek town in Tampa, which is called Tarpon Springs. As you can see, I am standing in front of the sponge Rama. This place is very famous for all sponges. Next to me, you can see the sponge factory. So we are going to have a small family time here. This place is so popular for Greek food and Greek pastries and all kind of Greek items. So we are going to explore the town a little bit, and let's get started. So we are here inside the sponge factory. This place looks cool. There's so many types of sponges here. You can also pick some of them for painting. There is a painting technique called sponging, where you can use sponge and dab the paint on the wall. It's a very popular painting technique. So let's check out what they have. I really like this place. I'm always a fan of sponges.
I want to say that number one, wherever I'm at, it's a beautiful place. I think you're beautiful. I love your shirt.
Thank you.
And life is wonderful. That's all.
Yes, definitely. Life is beautiful.
I mean.
Look at all these sponges, so huge. This one is like humongous. It's $70 for this sponge, but so natural. Usually Greek പേരൊക്കെയാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. So this is what they use to wear it when they go for the sponge searching in the sea. Nowadays it is used like a accessories or a decorative item. Okay, when a woman says do whatever you want, do not do whatever you want. That's very true. So next we are in the Pelican gifts area. So this is a best place if you want to get some souvenirs related to Tarpon Springs or Florida, or you can purchase some wall decors, anything related to Florida, you can find it here. So pretty good shop. I see a lot of things, candles, everything related to Florida or sea theme. Pretty good spot for shopping. Lolita, നമ്മുടെ ലളിത എന്നൊക്കെ പറയുന്നത്. Oh, I like your ring.
Super pretty.
So
I
nice.
found it in the ring tray. They're close. Never recommended.
These soaps are $3.99.
They're $3.50 actually for
Oh,
these particular ones.
okay.
They're 4 for 13.
Cigars, hand rolled cigars. ചിലതൊക്കെ $9, ചിലതൊക്കെ $20. പല ടൈപ്പ് സിഗേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. വെനില ഫ്ലേവർ, ഡബിൾ കൊറോണ. These are all hand rolled.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't see corona anymore. Hella's Bakery, very famous, world famous Greek restaurant and bakery. So I think they are already inside, but let's. Breads. Oh, they look so good. Oh, we sell smoked alligator. Ah, real ana? Oh, chala. Chari chari na. Ooh la la. Oh, this place is nice. So, we finally restaurant athundirikana. Afi, what do you feel?
Tired.
Tired? So no food for you? Amy, what do you want to say? What? Gyro. What do you want to say?
I'm trying to see if I should get
Kebab.
kebabs or gyro.
Some gyro? Beef or go lamb?
There's no choice, it's from the menu.
Okay, I think I am going with a salad. I just like to have.
Remember
So
at that
bread and
hotel place
butter
with
വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്.
okay. Sesame.
Amy, your dress is matching with the restaurant. Yeah.
Today, Amy actually wore a nice outfit.
Yeah, Amy looks so pretty. Look at mom. So this is a authentic Greek cheese that they ordered, and they just say like opa and fire on it. It's like a Greek tradition. I ordered the eggplant beef stuffed moussaka, which came with some nice aromatic rice and green peas. My husband ordered kebabs. Kids ordered their favorite, as usual, the gyro. Sometimes the gyro comes with beef and lamb. There was a pretty nice, delicious dinner. After that, we started walking around a little bit. It was already getting dark and people started leaving the place. So it's like Sunday
7:30, 8 o'clock. So everything has slowly started getting, to close. So if you have some time when you are in Tampa, do not miss this Greek town, Tarpon Springs. It's very close to Old Smar or Newport Richie, and it's a nice place to hang out with family. I hope you guys enjoy this episode of Namaste America. Until I come back with another episode, this is Sachna signing off. Bye bye. Bruce.